This wood sells itself. This is called olive wood. Olive wood is native to the Eastern Mediterranean and it is beautiful. This stuff is sick. This is the type of wood that you see when you go to Target, Home Goods, Kohl's, any big box store like that. If they're selling a little charcuterie board, there's a good chance it's gonna be olive wood. All you have to do is cut it, sand it, coat it, and you've got yourself a project. So we're gonna be putting this theory to the test. Does this wood actually sell itself? We've got a piece here that I got online. It was $30 for this piece, so it's not cheap. It's 3/4 inches thick. It's about 24 inches long. And as you can see, the width changes, but it's about 8 inches here, 6 inches down here. So we're gonna be cutting this in half using $15 worth of this board. We're gonna cut a little handle out just to hold it, and then we're gonna sand it, coat it, and see if we can sell it. So we're gonna be cutting about 12 inches off, so it's half the board. Looks like it's 23 3/4. All right, so there, cut in half. All right, here we have it. This is our charcuterie board. We're gonna draw a little oval here, and that'll be what we cut out. It's gonna be pretty easy. First thing we're gonna do here is measure 1 1/4 inch down anywhere. Then over here, we'll do that again, 1 1/4 inch down. Now we're gonna center those up so it looks like this is 7 and almost 7.5 inches. So now we're just gonna go from one side, we're gonna measure up 2.5 inches, which looks like it's already there pretty much. And then 2.5 inches. That is where we're going to drill out with our 1 inch Forstner bit. Smell that. Smell that.
It smells like tobacco.
No. No, no, no.
Sweet.
It smells like
cherries.
It smells like olives.
Hold on.
Smell that, dude. Am I losing my mind? It smells like sweet olive.
It smells like cherries.
Wait. I'm gonna look up what olive wood's supposed to look like, smell like. Okay, fruity or sweet and earthy aroma with hints of citrus and olive. Okay, so you said fruit and I said olive. Wow, that's crazy. It's named olive wood because it smells like it?
No, it's an olive tree, isn't it?
Yeah, but do olive trees smell like olives? Is that normal? Anyways, we're gonna cut the other hole out. That's insane. Now we're gonna connect those points on the bottom of the circle and on the top of the circle. And now cut that out with a jigsaw. Ready? Good, that's good, that's great, that's good, that's really good.
Was I about to die?
Why did that happen?
I don't like standing in front of you now.
Take 2. Maybe this won't sell itself. Not great. Does that look bent on camera? Because it looks bent on to my eyes.
It's a little bent.
All right, nothing a little sandpaper can't help. Yeah, that's brutal. Yikes. That's not good at all. Wow, look at
it. It actually kind of worked out. It's got like a
Can you see how it starts here and then it goes up?
Yeah.
We have an easy fix for that, never fear. For that, I use my this is not the right router collar. This is, how did you do this, John? All right, so this is an easy fix. Since the wood starts here and then it goes out like that, all I have to do is line this collar up to the very top and then that'll flush out the bottom so it'll be perfectly straight. And now, you take it and just flip it over. Now it's perfectly cut at 90 degrees there. There's a little bit of not goodness there. Not goodness? Not goodness. We wanted to have a natural look, I guess. And I guess that's the whole point of this video. Can we sell this even though it looks like this? I mean, it's all about the wood. You know, does that really matter? I don't know, maybe, but this, wow. Home intrusion? Watch out. Now we're just gonna sand it. We gotta get this live edge down, and then there's some live edge here, and then we're gonna round all of the edges with the sander, but we're not gonna use a router or anything. Just gonna hand sand it, make it look nice and pretty, and yeah, get it up on Facebook, see if anyone wants it. All right, sanded it 120, 220, 320, water prop, 320 again. Nice and soft, and it's looking great. Now for the best part, Howard mineral oil, cutting board oil, same thing. Okay, first coat's on. Now we're just gonna let it sit for a while, do a few more coats, then wrap it up with some Butcher Block conditioner from Howard, make this thing silky smooth. We won't show you all that, but here it is, almost done. Now we're going to post it on Facebook Marketplace and see if this wood can actually sell itself. So we put it up for 50 bucks. And we'll just do check-ins, let you know how it's going, let you know if we need to lower the price, make more, sold in a day, whatever. We'll let you know. So now, future Peter will let you know. All right, it is 21 days later. No one, I repeat, no one even reached out about it. In the last 7 days, the listing has 9 views, and it didn't come anywhere close to selling. So, what did we learn? Well, the first thing we learned is that me and John just got ourselves a brand new cutting board because I like it. I think it's beautiful. I mean, this wood is gorgeous. So I'm happy that we have a new cutting board. But what did we actually learn? I guess leave it to the big box stores, which is not something that I like to say. This cost us $15 worth of wood. Some of them are selling stuff like this for $15. So maybe this is not the route you want to go to make money. Again, we only posted on Facebook, so maybe an Etsy shop or maybe going around to local craft stores or even restaurants, coffee shops. Maybe that would be a good call. So I'd say if you're gonna try this for yourself, it's a really fun project, easy project. Go get yourself some olive wood. Worst case scenario, you end up with a new cutting board. But this is a fun video. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed testing this out. So let us know if you want to see more like this in the future. But yeah, that's gonna do it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below any other videos you'd like us to make, and I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, click right here to watch us make a bowl with an angle grinder, or click right here to check out 100 woodworking projects.